Hi guys! Welcome again to my vlog and to my video tutorial. So, andito na naman ako to answer your questions. So, thank you so much for those who have comments and for those who want to learn pa more about Reels and Remixer. So, let's answer yung question ni Ma'am Flower 2242 2 weeks ago. Yung question niya is ilang minutes o seconds ba dapat pagve-video? So, sa remixer po, ma'am or sir, is kailangan po natin ng at least 1 minute na video para maging complete yung ating remixer. So, yun siya guys. And then, meron siyang update ngayon na yung gamit kasi guys ng remixer is para yung mga viral videos is pwede mo siyang magkaroon ka ng comment or pwede mo siyang gawing content din. So yun siya, sana na-answer natin yung mga questions nyo. Follow